Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a homemade upgrade for my C14. I actually made an aluminum bed yesterday because I was really dang bored and this was the only thing I could come up with to do. So, check it out. I believe this to be 22 gauge. If not, it is dang close to 22, so I actually found this sheet of aluminum in the trash one day. And yes, it is aluminum. If you can find a sheet of that, it's really easy to work with. You just get you some small hand shears. Let's see. I just use these little super scissors you get from the little discount tool area of any hardware store, really. I just cut it like it was construction paper. But I just brought up a picture on the computer and sure enough, there we go. That's really all I needed. Now, the C14 is a little bit longer than the average pickup truck of this scale, alright? They've had to lengthen the wheelbase a little bit. This is a stock side panel drawn off of a truck on the computer. So yeah, it's a long bed. It's a custom. What can I say? Goes really well with the roll bar I made for it. Does make it a real pain to change the battery, but you know what? I don't care. All I gotta do is I gotta pull the toolbox off, slide it out of this hole, and I just charge the battery inside the truck, or I can take the 10 bolts out that hold it in. There's 5 on this side, 1 in there, 4 over here, same on the other side. Take the 10 bolts out, and the whole bed side and the tailgate just slides right off. So, it's not too hard to work on. I am rather proud of the gap work I did here. It was rubbing for a little while. Looks pretty good. Yeah, the flares, I don't know. They came out okay, but you can definitely tell they were hand worked. And there's dents all along the tops of them. Maybe some mild filler, or heck, maybe I'll just leave it alone. It looks kind of cool. Let me know what you think. Should I paint this, or should I just leave it bare metal like this? Because I think it looks kind of cool. I might be able to fill in the dents around the fender flares and paint it to match. I'm going to give that a shot. But yeah. I was going to put a handle in the tailgate, but I mean, kind of looks awesome this way. You can see through the hole for the handle. That's kind of cool. It's just a gutted shell, welded shut. It doesn't even open. Typical rock crawler stuff. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble on too long. Let me know what you think of this thing. I mean, it was really easy to do. All you really have to do is have a vise or something to crease the metal on and something to cut it with and some cheap glue, and there you go. I should have a video of this guy in action soon, so just bear with me. I'm just trying to get all the little things that annoy me out of the way first. Like the hard tires it used to have. I got the soft tire upgrade. I've got a review on that coming up. Highly recommended. I'm going to say that. I'm not going to go into detail. Anyway, thanks for watching as always. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys next time.